Creating an invoice in NetSuite involves navigating through the appropriate modules and inputting necessary details to bill your customers. Here's a concise guide to get you started. Log into NetSuite. Access your NetSuite account using your credentials. Navigate to the invoicing section. Go to the main menu and click on Transactions. From the drop-down, select Sales, then choose Create Invoices. Enter customer information. In the invoice form, select the customer you are billing from the customer drop-down. The customer's details will automatically populate based on their profile. Input invoice details. Fill in the date field with the invoice date. Specify the due date according to your payment terms. Enter the invoice number if it's not auto-generated. Add items or services. In the item field, select the products or services being billed. Enter the quantity, rate, and any applicable discounts. Ensure the appropriate tax codes are applied. Review and customize. Check the billing address and shipping address for accuracy. Add any notes or terms in the memo or customer message fields. Save and send. Review the invoice for accuracy. Click Save to generate the invoice. Once saved, you can email the invoice directly to the customer or print it for physical mailing. Post and track payment. After sending, monitor the invoice status through the Accounts Receivable module. Record payments when received to keep your accounts updated.